Okay, so just to recap, what I've done is I've launched Win UAE, no, EUAE, and comes up this kind of window, and I've selected the ham mode. Okay, so we don't want this one here to open. It will open anyway. We'll close it off. Okay, so now we're going to move across back to our 1084. And we're going to go to W, and it's going to be quite impressive, I think, because this runs very well. Preload, and off we go. We'll center this up. We'll try and get a better. Okay, turn it off. But here you go. This is in ham mode. It's all in real time. But it's very impressive. See Amiga 500 here, rendering AGA in ham. And that was just perfect unrolling of this thing. Press that. Should be this long. Oh. So you can scroll across quite easily. Yes, it's working very nicely. So once you've got this map, okay, space to play. There we go. So as you can tell, it's quite responsive. And this is all in ham on Amiga 500. So now, what do we do with Mr. Colin? No idea this game. I can move him up and move him down. Needs to do something with bazooka. Uh-oh. Yeah, there you go. Hope that, yeah.